Morning students, we are going to continue with The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 3. Now, Scene 3, we see that it takes place in front of Shylock's house, opens and Jessica and Lancelot come out. So, I think you remember that Lancelot, who was working for Shylock, plans to leave Shylock's house and he is now thinking of joining Bassanio's service. Okay, so now Lancelot, he goes to the house of Shylock. Alright, there he meets Jessica. We are being introduced to Jessica for the first time. Jessica is Shylock's daughter. Okay, now here Lancelot, he comes to Shylock's house in order to say goodbye to Jessica. And Jessica feels bad for Lancelot because she tells that Lancelot was the person who used to, make merriment and who used to, he was a kind of a merry devil who used to make her laugh. Okay. In this scene, we are also being introduced to, as I told you, Jessica, Shylock's daughter. And we are told that Jessica, she is in love with Lorenzo. Okay, Lorenzo, who is a Christian and who is a friend of Bassanio. Alright, so Jessica is in love with Lorenzo, who is a Christian, and she plans to elope with Lorenzo. Alright, now here we are provided a glimpse into the character of Shylock also. Alright, because we see that though Shylock loves his daughter, right, but then we see that Jessica is not too hesitant to leave the house of Shylock and run away with Lorenzo. So we can see that, and in this scene we also come to know that like she doesn't like the house of Shylock, and she wants to leave the house of Shylock, and if Lorenzo will turn out to be a faithful, lover, then she is going to elope with Lorenzo, alright, leaving the house of Shylock. So we are provided a glimpse into the character of Shylock also, and we see that he is not a very good father, alright, and because Jessica, she doesn't hesitate much to leave the house of Shylock, alright. So we are going to, and one more thing you have to keep in mind, this is also one of the reason, alright, why Shylock hates Christians. This is also because here we see Jessica, his only daughter, he runs away, Jessica, the only daughter of Shylock, plans to run away with Lorenzo, who is a Christian, right? So now you know the hatred for Christian, alright, increases in Shylock because his only daughter also elopes with a Christian, that is Lorenzo. Now let us start with the scene, okay? The scene, it takes place in front of the Shylock's house, and I told you that on the stage we have Jessica, that is the daughter of Shylock, and we have Lancelot, who has come to the house of Shylock in order to say goodbye to Jessica. So let us start with this. Jessica, what she says, I am sorry thou wilt leave my father so, our house is hell. So look at what Jessica says. Jessica, she admits that her house is hell. And thou means you, a merry devil. Merry devil means amazing devil. You used to entertain me. Alright, otherwise this house of my father is like a hell. You used to entertain me. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. So you robbed some boredom. Alright, you robbed some boredom from this house. You were very entertaining. You were very lively. And you robbed some boredom from this house. And now your decision, now you have decided that you are going to leave the house of Shylock. It is rather painful for me. Alright, I don't want you to leave the house of Shylock, but then if it is for your good, then I won't stop you. Alright, now this rob it of some taste of tediousness, so your lively spirit made it less, it was a very, you robbed the boredom from this house, and our life became less miserable because of your lively spirit. Okay, but fare thee well, there is a ducat for thee. And then she gives some money to Launcelot. And Launcelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo. Lorenzo, who is a lover of Jessica. So she says that at the supper, alright, at the supper you will be meeting Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. So new master refers to Bassanio. Okay. Give him this letter. So she's telling she's telling Lancelot to give the letter to Lorenzo. Do it secretly and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. So she says that she hands over a letter to Lancelot, and she says, give this letter to Lorenzo. You will be meeting Lorenzo in the where Bassanio, they have planned for a dinner party, alright, before the departure of Bassanio to Belmont. So there she says that he will be meeting Lorenzo, and she gives a letter to Lancelot and tells Lancelot to give that letter to Lorenzo. And she tells Lancelot to do everything very secretly. Alright, at this Lancelot says, adieu, tears exhibit my tongue. So exhibit, it's actually inhibit. Inhibit means to prevent me from speaking. Alright, so adieu, tears exhibit my tongue, most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew. Alright, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. So just see what Lancelot says. Lancelot likes Jessica. Alright, Lancelot, he doesn't like Shylock, his master, but Jessica is a very humble creature. Alright, so he says that farewell. Alright, farewell, a beautiful Jew. And then he says, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. So she says, I will feel cheated if a Christian do not play dishonest and get you. So Christian refers to Lorenzo. So he is telling that I hope that you can run away with Lorenzo. I hope for your better future. These foolish drops do somewhat draw my manly spirit. So he says these foolish drops refers to the tears. Alright, so he becomes emotional, and he says when he's leaving the house of Shylock, so he says these tears are drowning my manly spirit. Adieu. And then saying this, he makes an exit from the stage. So we see that Lancelot, he goes away carrying the letter of Lorenzo, which he has to give it to Lorenzo in the party. Now on the stage we are left with Jessica, that is the daughter of Shylock. Now what Jessica says, from here we come to know, we are provided a glimpse into the character of Shylock, and we see that Jessica, she is, she loves her father, but then she is not hesitant to leave the house of her father, because as she says in the, what she says before that, her house is like a hell. Okay. Now this is a soliloquy. This is a case of soliloquy because only Jessica is there on the stage and she is speaking her mind out. Alright, she's saying what she is feeling now. Jessica says, farewell, good Lancelot. Alack, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? So this tells us a lot. She says that what heinous sin, heinous means deadly, alright. So she says, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? So she is telling it is really a crime, alright. I should not be ashamed of being my father's child, but I am ashamed of being my father's child. I know it is a deadly sin to be ashamed of being of being the child of my father, but then I am ashamed of being the daughter of Shiloh. Okay, so to be ashamed to be my father's child, but though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. So she says that though I am a daughter of Shiloh, isn't it? We have blood relation. I am his daughter and he is my father, but I don't inhibit or I have no characteristics of my father. I am very different behavior-wise, manner-wise from my father. So though we have blood relation, we are blood related, he is my father and I am his daughter, but then manner-wise we are very different. Now I am not to his manners, O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise. So if you keep your promise, I shall end this strife. Strife refers to the conflict that is going on within Jessica. What kind of conflict? Conflict whether she should choose Lorenzo or Shylock. So she is telling that if Lorenzo gives a green signal, alright, if Lorenzo is ready to, is ready to marry Jessica, then she is going to leave the house of Shylock. The strife, the conflict that is there within him will come, within her will come to an end, whether to choose Lorenzo or Shylock. So what she is trying to say is she is ready to leave the house of Shylock for the sake of Lorenzo. So, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian and thy loving wife. So, Jessica says, I am ready to turn from Jew, I am ready to become a Christian and I am ready to become the wife of Lorenzo if Lorenzo is ready to marry me. So, with this we come to the end of this scene. This is a very short scene. We are going to start with scene 4 in the next class, okay, which also takes place in a street in Venice, alright, and we know that Jessica, now we have to be prepared regarding the elopement of Jessica. Now Jessica has planned that she is going to leave the house of Shylock and she is going to run away with Lorenzo. Okay, so this scene is actually a scene of elopement where Jessica will be eloping from the house of Shylock. Alright, okay, so we are going to stop here. We are going to start with scene 4 in the next class.